Hello students. In last video we have discussed the syllabus of marketing and salesmanship for semester first. In this video we will discuss the first unit, that is basis of marketing. In this video we will discuss the meaning of market and types of market. First we will discuss the definition of market. Market is a place where buyer and seller are come together for exchange the goods and services. That means market is a convenient place for buyer and seller for exchange goods and services for money. Here you can say that there are two parties are involved in market. One is a buyer, another is a seller. Buyer is a person who are buy or who are purchase the goods or services, that is called as a buyer. Second person is that seller. Seller is a person who sell the goods or services to the buyer. That means here two parties are engaged in exchange goods and services together with in a particular pace, that is called as a market. We will discuss the second definition. Market is a network in which buyer and seller interact to exchange to goods and services for money or of money. That means market is a network in the sense that where different peoples are come together for exchange the goods and services from different place, different region, different state. That is called as a market is a network. Third definition is that a market is a sum of total of all the buyers and seller in the area or region under consideration. This area may be earth or countries, regions, states or cities. That means here you can say that all the total of buyer and seller in a particular area, that is called as a market of this region, and the scope of that market may be into country level, into international level, into regions level, into state level or into cities level. That are the definition of your marketing. I think you got this, the meaning of market. Next point is that types of market. The first types is that on the basis of nature of purchasing and consumption of the goods, on that basis you can see that there are two classification: consumer market and industrial market. So we will first, what do you mean by consumer market? A consumer market is a market where the goods and services are exchanged which are satisfy the psychological and physical needs of customer. That means a consumer market is a second largest market in the world where the goods or services are exchanged which are helpful for satisfy the psychological and physical needs of customer. For example, I am the one individual person. I have some psychological needs, physical needs. That needs I can be satisfied with the help of consumer market, because I can use the toothpaste, soap. That is the example of your individual customer. Then family customer. Family also need refrigerator, TV, washing machine. That is a durable goods or services which are satisfy the needs of your customer. That is the first types of your market. Second is the industrial market. Industrial market is also called as organization market. In this market, the goods or services are exchanged which are related to your industrial product. That mean raw material of goods, machine, machine parts, machine tools, equipments, some components, spare part. That mean here the goods which are exchanged, that is industrial goods, and in which market the industrial goods are exchanged, that is called as the industrial market, because here you can exchange the goods or services related to your industry. And this industrial market is also called as business to business market, because here one business can sell some spare part, some equipments, some components to other business. Therefore, it is called as an industrial market. Next is that on the basis of nature of product in the trade. On the basis of nature of product in the trade, also classified into three parts: basis goods of market, intermediary goods of market, consumer goods market, product in the trade market. First market is that basic needs of market. Certain goods such as steel, cement, chemical are very basis for industrial and infrastructural development of country. So in this market the goods or services are exchanged which are helpful for improve the industrial and infrastructure of our country. We already told that example that steel, cement, chemical, petrol, which are helpful for the expansion of our country, or which are helpful for expand or develop our economic. So that is called as a basic goods of market. And without the development of this infrastructure, without the development of industrial, the our country are not say that developed country, because you can say that our country has a developing country. For the development you must be develop the basic goods market, so we will become the development company, sorry, developed country. Next point is that intermediary goods of market. Some supplier need to some raw material, or some producer need to some raw material which they are not produce. They depend on the other producer or other supplier, and in this market the some intermediary are play important role for selling the spare part, selling machine tools, equipments, or some components that are helpful for making a production. That means it is a market where intermediary have play important role for supplying the spare part, some components, some equipments which are helpful for production of your goods or services. Third, consumer goods market, product in trade market. This consumer goods market can be further classified as non-durable markets and durable markets. Non-durables markets in the sense that the goods which are not durable for long period of time. For example, toothpaste, soap, which are not durable for long period of time. But some product which are durable for long period of time. For example, TV, refrigerator, washing machine, that is a durable goods. And the market where two types of goods are exchanged, like durable goods and non-durable goods, that is called as a consumer goods market or product in trade market. These are the two types of the market. The next types we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you. Whatever your comments, whatever your suggestion, you can write in the comment box and send me. Thank you.